And now I'll play it through from section B. Okay, bar 1 in section B starts off with an E flat in the left hand, followed by a G in the right, and then a G in the left hand with E flat and B flat in the right hand, followed by G. Then the right hand goes up to C and the left hand goes down to B flat. And then the left hand plays D and F sharp and the right hand plays E flat to C. And then you've got the next note in the next bar, which is a low E flat. And it sounds like this, bar 1. Then I have bar 2 of section B. Starts with the low E flat down there. And then you have a low G in your right hand here, followed by D flat and F in the right hand there with a B flat in the left. They're all at the same time like that. Then followed by C and E flat in the right hand, and that's just short, so it's, and then an E flat in the left hand, followed by B flat and D flat in the right, and then we have our triplets in the left hand, E flat, F, G, up to A flat in the next bar. So that second bar sounds like this. The two bars together, bar 1 and bar 2. Bar 3, with the triplet running into it, starts on an A flat. There's your A flat. The right hand plays E flat, quite a high E flat up there. Then the left hand comes into the middle with A flat and C. And the right hand plays C here with them two, followed by B flat. Then the right hand goes up to E flat and the left hand goes to an A natural. And then the left hand comes back to the middle again, A natural and C, with a C in the right hand, followed by E flat. And then the next note in the next bar, B flat in the left hand. And this sounds like, this is what bar 3 sounds like. Now I'm going to play all 3 bars of section B. One, two, three, here's bar 4. We have a B flat in the left hand, then E flat, and when you play E flat there, you also play E flat in the right hand with a G, followed by B flat in your thumb in your right hand there, like this. Then the left hand plays B flat and the right hand plays D and F sharp, followed by E flat and G. They both go up a semitone. And then the left hand goes down to E flat, and then the next note in the next bar, the A flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that 4th bar sounds like this. And here are the 4 bars of section B. Bar 5 starts with an A flat, followed by C in the right hand, and then the left hand comes to the middle and plays A flat and C and another C here. followed by G. So it sounds like this. And then B flat in the right, G in the left, quite a low G there. E flat in the middle with the right hand. And then 2 notes in the left hand, E flat and B flat. So that bar. And now the 5 bars in section B. One, two, three, 4, 5. And now we have bar 6. Starts with G in the left hand, D in the right, and then a B natural in the left hand, and G and D in the right. There's the B in the left, there's the G and the D in the right, and they go together, followed by another D, and then a chord, G, C, E flat in the right, and a C in the left. So it sounds like this. And then an E flat in the left hand, followed by the next note, the next bar, A flat. So that sounds like this. And here's the 6 bars from section B. And here's the 7th bar. It starts off with an A flat in the left and then a C in the right. Then the left plays E flat here and the right plays E flat there at the same time with C followed by G, like this. Then the left goes down to G and the right keeps the thumb on the E flat, plays B flat, then G. And then the left hand comes up and plays G here, and the right hand plays B flat and E flat there, and another E flat. And then the next note and the next bar are 2 Gs, 1 in each hand. So that bar again, A flat on the left, followed by C, then E flat and C in the right, E flat on the left, followed by G in the right hand. The left hand goes down to G, the right hand plays B flat, then G. And then the left hand plays this G here with the thumb, and the right hand plays B flat and E flat, and another E flat, and then the 2 Gs in the next bar. Sounds like this. And now those 7 bars of section B. And here's bar 8. We've got a G in the left, a G in the right, followed by F and B and G, B, F, G in the right hand, and then D in the left, and then C, E flat, G in the right, and C in the left. So that's G together, and then right hand B, F, G, left hand D, right hand C, E flat, G, left hand C, and then an F in the right hand, and then 2 E flats, 1 in each hand. And the next note in the next bar is A flat. So it sounds like this. So if I play 3, 6, 7, 8 bars of section B. around. Here's bar 9. Starts with A flat in the left hand, G in the right, and then the left hand comes up to E flat, and the right hand plays E flat with a C, followed by G. Then right hand B flat, left hand G. Right hand plays B flat and E flat, and then the left hand plays E flat. And the next note in the next bar is G, B, D in the right hand, G in the left. So that 9th bar is A flat. Let me play that from section B, 9 bars. And this is bar 10. It's got G in the left hand, G, B, D, chord in the right hand there, and then the right hand thumb moves down to F, so it's F, B, D. And the left hand plays a G. The right hand changes to G, C, E flat. The left hand plays a C. So that bar so far is. Then another C in the right hand. This C in the left with the triplets. Then down to A natural, and as you play in the triplets, somewhere you play an E flat. And that's bar 9. I'll do that, and again 9 going into 10. Right, from the beginning, 3, 6, 9, 10 bars from section B. And then this bar, 3, 6, 9, 10, bar 11, you're already playing the A flat and you're already playing the E flat. Then we follow it with C, B flat on their own. And the left hand plays a low B flat with the thumb on A flat. And the right hand is G all together. Then C and E flat in the right hand, followed by A flat, left hand thumb. And then B flat and G in the right hand, followed by E flat in the next bar. So that bar, I'll do the triplet from the previous bar. I'll do that again. Here's the triplet. "11 bars from B. And here's bar 12. E flat in the left hand, followed by G and B flat in the left hand, and then C in the left hand. And when you play that C in the left hand, you play E flat, E natural, like that. So it's E flat, G and B flat, then a C with that E flat to E natural. Then C in the right, and then E flat and G in the left. And the next note in the next bar is F. So that bar 12 is. I'm going to play that from the beginning of section B. And here's bar 13. We've got an F in the left hand. Right hand is E flat. And then the left hand plays E flat and A natural. And the right hand plays C. Followed by B flat. Do that again. Oh, sorry, that was wrong. And then E flat in the right hand, B flat in the left. And the left hand plays D and A flat together with two C's in the right hand. And don't forget it's jazz quavers, so it's not C, C, it's C, C. And then the next note in the next bar, E flat. So from section B. And now the last bar, E flat in the left hand, then B flat, and when you play B flat, you play E flat and G in the right, followed by D and G, like this. And then an E flat in the left hand, D flat and G in the right hand, and then our triplet E flat, F, G, A flat. And now I'll play it through from section B.